Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
Cold as fuck.
No, I'm gonna do with this one.
Almost.
I like that.
I gotta go. I gotta you gonna make the tires up? What you in a rush for, my boy?
I work.
You can't get your truck out of that.
We all, nigga.
Did you just say let's go?
One side at a time? Yeah.
One side at a time?
One side at a time.
I like to not waste time.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, what happened?
I don't want to get dirty. Tell fucking beast ass over right here. Hey, giant. Take that off for the little guys.
For the little guys.
Need somebody with those. Ooh, damn, you go straight up.
What do you think?
That one?
A la verga. Every show you blew a motor at? So that shit was backwards or what?
It's turned one the whole way around.
That's why the steering wheel's backwards?
Yeah.
Damn. Backwards ass steering wheel.
Is that you? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Woo! Muscle man.
Okay, look, I'm gonna just do it one turn.
Dale, pues.
How'd you come up to the side or what? Huh? How'd you go to the side? Oh, straight up. No. Oh. Let's go sideways, my boy.
A ver, mira.
God damn.
When you got all that steering angle.
What steering angle, my boy?
I'm driving on air.
Sideways, my boy.
But do they spin?
Hey, that shit came out, wait. That shit came out. That shit came out.
Jerry still lit from last night. We got Sideways King right here. Just came back from Cali with the new body kit from Street Concepts. He's got the roll pan. Got the wing. Everybody signed it last night. They came out to Thick Vatos anniversary party. They got the new lip and the new hood. And that show was beefy as fuck. More things coming to it. Make sure to go subscribe to Sideways King's channel on YouTube if you guys want to keep up with this build. But this shit's coming out hard. Highwell Garage is gonna be repainting the whole truck. Make sure to follow them also. Subscribe to Bulls Valley. You know what's up. That's the crew. But yeah, this truck is coming a long ways, guys. Dusty. That burnout from yesterday. I'll post a video of it if I can find it. But he went hella hard and burned it out. Another OBS over here. We got Checo's lifted extended cab right here. This truck used to be in Bulls, New Mexico, but the president sold it to someone here in AZ. She's clean as fuck too. Make sure you're here in Arizona or even out of state, come to Arizona Truck Fest, guys. 2 weeks, November 6th and 7th. It's gonna be a Saturday and Sunday show. It's gonna be lit. Jerry Tweeks, Ismael, Freddie, Static Leo, they're all gonna be out here. So make sure you guys come out to that show. It's gonna be in Chandler, Wall Horse Pass Raceway. ready to head back to Cali. I think they're gonna stop by Vegas first, but that it is.
How much are you for the Phillips?
For the what?
The Black Phillips. Yeah? Why? I just don't want, I feel like there's too much traffic right now to go home.
Yeah, there's always traffic during the day.
Traffic off, bro. 5 hours.
Oh, you're going to Vegas, huh? ¿Qué van a hacer allá?
No sé. Van a dejar la troca ahí.
Oh, okay. Probably the Transpex, huh? Or the painters. Oh, because you got the center console in the middle, huh? Damn, they got the King out here working too.
Yeah, let's go.
Hasta con la pata rota no se raja el compa. Damn it. Hey, I didn't want to show off yesterday. or maybe you have less traction now on the tires. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Haven't posted in a while. Kind of glad to be back. Truck should be ready this week. Truck fest in 2 weeks. The boy Ismael, Jerry, Compa Lalo, they all left already on their way back to Cali. I think Ismael might have stopped by. Is going to Vegas. But yeah, they're all gone already. Left you guys with a little goodbye burnout from the homie Ricky. And that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.